In the initial state, password is 000. Open box. How to change initial password? Move setting switch from A to B. Toggle wheel to set a 3-digit password. For example 101. Then move setting switch from B to A. Turn the knob, disturb password and lock the box. Now no one but only you can open. How to open box? Toggle the wheel, set it to 101. Turn the knob and open box. This is a anti-cutting anti-theft security cable. Put head go through the hole. Fasten cable head inside the security hole. This box also be used to store cigar and magazine.